Good afternoon, Autodesk team and our respected CEO. I would like to present innovation of AI robotics manufacturing for our team of the Autodesk. Autodesk has been working successfully for the couple of years for the softwares in the field of architecture, design, modeling, analysis, and we can use our resources and our knowledge to build something extraordinary and which will make a revolution in the manufacturing industry. AI robotics manufacturing is the unit of robotic manufacturing which can be used in the job manufacturing as well as is the customized product where in this case the robots will be the manufacturers and they can work efficiently without any human interference. They can gather the data and they can gather the analysis their data without any human interference. We can use this robotics in the simple techniques such as cuttings, packaging, uh, scheduling, or delivering the components. And AI robotics, as we all know, the future is very autonomous and environment is changing rapidly. Manufacturers want to take more profit from their existing system. So AI robotics will help them to reduce the labor cost as well as to work efficiently with time. Using the available resources, they can reduce the wastage of the raw materials what they want, and they can achieve the more efficiency in their production. uh, the AI robotics is a costlier project. Initial starts of the initial manufacturing robot will cost around 50,000 to 1 lakh dollar, but as we upgrade the system and as we do better in the project, we can make this manufacturing unit easily accessible in the small scale project. And this will reduce the labor cost for the manufacturing companies as well as it will increase their efficiency. That means they will increase their profit. And for the Autodesk, they've been working with professional professional manufacturers, and hence with their knowledge and their assets, I know this project has been achievable for the Autodesk. And with this innovation, Autodesk will be entered in the international markets of manufacturing. Till now, the Autodesk has been doing the modeling analysis for their components, but with this innovation, Autodesk can actually manufacture their components and produce some extraordinary revolution in the future in the field of manufacturing. Thank you.